Smart has just delivered Australia's first Sungrow PowerKeeper battery for Team Medical Supplies. This is the third project we've done with Team Medical, and we are proud partners in their energy journey. We're not a transaction company, we're a relationship company. We're not selling systems, we're selling energy over time and a solution that will evolve with technology and the customer over time. And I think Team Medical is a great example of that. I look forward to what we can do with them next.
So my name's Tom Breens. I'm co-CEO at Team Medical Supplies. We're a medical wholesaler for primary care practitioners, so medical centres, GPs. This is our main facility in Seven Hills where the battery was installed. When it comes to deciding if you should go down the battery path, firstly, I would reach out to an organisation like Smart Commercial. They can give you all the information you need to make an informed decision. For us, we found it quite straightforward in that we had excess power. We were told there's a payback period that was well within what we found attractive. Not only that, it's a good thing for the environment. We're capturing a lot of power that we can now use at night. We have an air-conditioned warehouse. In the summer months, that air conditioning runs into the early evening. The battery can cover that now, and then it cools down at night.
When they first bought their first 100 kilowatt system, batteries weren't financially sensible for them at that time. A year later, actually, we installed another 100 kilowatts of solar. And then when batteries became viable and when the product matured enough, like with the Sungrow PowerKeeper, that was actually the right product to suit their needs. And finally, we could solve that other piece of the puzzle.
From an engineer's perspective, there was this gap in the commercial market where we didn't have any dedicated commercial hybrid inverters and battery systems. With the PowerKeeper series, it serves as a perfect, elegant solution to commercial use cases where there is just a single 110 kilowatt hybrid inverter that can take up to 250 kilowatt hours of battery, as well as 150 kilowatts of solar.
Firstly, regarding the installation perspective, some site limit about the AC and DC capacity, and OMM perspective, and also for end user want to achieve more functionality on site, PowerKeeper is definitely a game changer. We have an on-grid mode, off-grid mode, and we have a microgrid mode. Also many other functions like a self-consumption mode and different other functions apply in the on-grid mode as well.
With this job, after we'd already installed 2 grid inverters, the switchboards on site were essentially at capacity, so we had to come up with another solution. We were able to meet the needs of Team Medical Supplies by doing a like-for-like switch with a previously installed grid inverter with the hybrid inverter, the PowerKeeper series from Sungrow, where it could take all of the previously terminated panels from the existing inverter and could be re-terminated into the new inverter, which could also be used to charge the battery. The PowerKeeper series is quite a compact and scalable battery solution. We've currently got it installed in a single car spot, and we have the flexibility to keep expanding on this, installing an additional 150 kilowatt hours and maintain all of that battery within a single car space.
I think another consideration for us is where we're going to put the battery, and turns out this battery isn't very big at all. And the install itself was very quick. I think it was over a couple of days. And we run cold rooms, freezers, we sell vaccines. And so power disruption for us would be a major issue. And I don't believe we really had any disruption whatsoever as this got installed.
So a real benefit that Team Medical Supplies would already be seeing is a reduction in their electricity bill. Once the solar kicks in early morning, they're essentially off-grid until the battery kicks in towards the end of the day, which carries them through into the evening, and only from evening to early morning are they actually reliant on the grid.
The whole journey has significantly reduced our footprint here. And being our biggest facility, as an organisation, that means that our footprint has come down considerably. So for anyone looking to get into this, you've just got to start talking to someone. Don't be afraid. We've done this in one bit of solar, another bit of solar, and then the battery. So it's a staggered approach. We didn't go all in day one. If I look back on it, I wish I did it all in one go. But that's hindsight. So just got to start the conversation.